Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in us, they know.
Perfect. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. This video is going to be a review of the matte e.l.f. Power Grip Matte Primer. So if you want to know more about this product, keep watching. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I truly appreciate it. You could have clicked on any review video for this product and you clicked on mine, and that means so much to me. Please subscribe to the channel. It is a great way for you to support all the videos and work that I do for the channel. Beauty, skincare, makeup, hair, nails, so many different reviews, discussions, me giving my 2 cents on things. I want you to be a part of the crew, so please subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like the video, and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be first to know when I post a new video or when I go live, okay? So let's talk about this e.l.f. primer. So this is my new favorite drugstore primer. So this is a part of the e.l.f. Power Grip family of primers. They got the regular, the original, niacinamide, all kinds of different versions, but all of them have in common that they were geared towards giving either a satin look or a dewy luminous look, and there wasn't really anything for us who are oily already, i.e. exhibit A, my face in this video, but who want to look matte. So my holy grail primer right now is the One Size Secure the Sweat primer, because I am a sweaty Betty, and that primer just makes sure that my foundation stays like locked and loaded, and this primer does that, but to a lesser extent under sweat, but it absolutely keeps my matte foundations matte, and my makeup does not budge. It lasts all day long. I'm talking 12 hours performance wear. Now also, I am wearing other makeup products that lend themselves to long wearing and lasting all day and being like transfer proof, waterproof, like having all those claims. So yes, this is technically building, it's partnering with those products and making my makeup last. But I mean, honestly, just because you're using long-lasting products, sometimes if you're using a bad primer, the products will break down and it will not last. So this is, I absolutely love this primer. It goes on clear. So here, I'll actually put some on my face for you guys so you can see what it looks like. So I squirt it on my finger. That is the primer. So it's like a clear jelly primer, just like all the other ones. So I'm going to smear it on my face, and then I just have a clean, what is this, buffing foundation brush, and I'm just going to buff it on my face. And it does have like a jelly feeling. It goes on wet first, as you can see, but then as it starts to dry down, it gives you a beautiful matte finish. So I just put it on. It's still a little wet. We're gonna go ahead and do the other side of my face, but I just want you to remember, you can see the forehead still has the oil because I didn't do it yet, but you can see the rest of my face is slowly but surely starting to mattify. I'm gonna go back and use the extra that's on the brush from my forehead. Because of my creative hairline, I do have to be a little careful when applying my primer to make sure I don't wipe off my gel in my baby hairs, but I also get the primer where I need it. Boom. So as you can see, I just applied the primer and this side is already matte. So this side's still working. She's still a little shiny, but this, you can see it is flat and matte. And like I said, it feels good on your skin. It doesn't feel tight. It has a little makeup-y fragrance, but it's very, very slight. And as soon as you squirt it out the tube and apply it, it dissipates. Boom, you can see the matteness is still starting to solidify on this side of my face as it dries. It starts you feel a little dewy, you feel a little damp, but then it dries down to completely matte. It's not tight. Your face doesn't feel like it's stuck like that, like locked in place like cement hard. It very much feels like skincare still, and feels great on the skin. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely one of my favorite primers. Like I said, #1 from the drugstore so far. What I really love about it is secure the sweat. Because I'm sweaty in my nose and my forehead, I need that primer to stop the salts and like the uric acid that comes out of my sweat from destroying my makeup. But this is pretty good at that too. Now granted, it's not going to 100% keep everything like in the corners and stuff from breaking down, but it does do a really good job on my sweaty parts of my face. But everywhere else on my face, it is perfect. This is my new drugstore primer. It's funny, years ago I didn't even use primer. I would just be like, my skincare is good enough. But products like this, when I see the lasting power and how vivid and beautiful my makeup looks, it makes me realize that a primer is a really good investment. If you're going to do all this work on your makeup, you don't want it to slide off your face, so you need a primer to keep her in place. All right, so and that's a bar, all right, by accident. So my new favorite drugstore primer, the Power Grip Matte Primer from e.l.f. Absolutely go try this if you like matte looks, or if you're using a luminous foundation and you're just like, well, I don't want luminous primer and luminous foundation. I think this will be good in those instances too. Okay, so thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire